What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL. We're trying to give away these 2 limited logos to somebody. Top 2 names after 4. First one is going to get Barkov. Second one is going to get Bobby Bryant. They're both 4-color nasty patches. So here we go. Live. Good luck. They're actually right into my personal collection. I'm starting to get rid of some cards that aren't really fitting in my display case here. So these 2 definitely deserve it. So hopefully they go to a good home here now. 744. Here's your list. Everybody pay it up, except Jacob. Get that in when you can, man. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. This is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3 says 7:44. Just turned 7:45. We're in our last and final random. Top 2 are taking home cards. There we go. Oh, spot 2 and spot 8. Trevor killed it, man. Congrats, Trevor. 2 of them coming home to you. Barkov and Bobby Ryan. Timestamp 7:45 and 7:45 it is. There you go. 4 randoms. 2 and 8. Trevor, congrats, man. Guys, thanks for joining us for the Braz. We are going to post a couple more later tonight. Appreciate you filming it, and better luck in the next one.